Napaka-successful na niya sa academe. Pero how come nag-decide pa rin siya na iwan ito and mag-shift sa events management? Ba't gumawa siya ng sarili niyang negosyo? Or maybe some of you na nanonood ngayon dito sa video na to, you're asking na, is it too late to shift my career? Kung is it too late to start something new? Hello everyone, my name is JM and welcome to Maskinano TV, your YouTube companion about almost everything and anything under the sun. So tonight's episode, guys, is extremely special because joining me on screen in a little while is a friend, a sought-after host, a well-known public speaker, and an internationally acclaimed events specialist. Friends, let's welcome him here in Dubai, Kakay.
Hi mga kaibigan, mga kabayan. Ako lang to, ha? Yan. Maraming salamat, JM, for featuring us here. So we feel very much welcome here in Dubai.
Wow, the feeling is really mutual. So, what brings you here in Dubai?
Well, what brings us here in Dubai?
Huwag mo sabing airplane.
No, yeah, totoo yun.
Airplane.
No, yeah, totoo yun. Portfolio Event Solutions is now in Dubai, you know?
Wow!
Correct. So, we are actually doing a bridal fair here in Dubai. So, yung mga kabayan natin na hindi makauwi sa Pilipinas, sila ang pupuntahan ng Portfolio Event Solution.
Grabe.
Or should I say, pinuntahan. This is for our Valentine's Day special. As a matter of fact, I brought with me, of course, one of our team leaders. There's Selena! Hi! Ayan! So, there you go. Together with...
Of course,
May jowa.
my good friend.
Ayan. Good
Wow,
friend ba?
good friend.
Jowa.
Pero reminder mapapanood to ng buong Pilipinas.
And
So, good friend lang talaga yun.
It's boyfriend ko.
Ayan.
Boyfriend
Sana all. Sana
Kasi
all.
conservative daw kasi year.
So, kamusta naman ang Dubai? Nakapag-galaw-galaw ba?
Well, it's really an amazing experience because we're staying here for 3 days lang.
Oh.
Oo, so 3 araw lang. And I didn't realize that there's a lot to see here in Dubai.
Ay, sobra. Grabe. So, kumbaga, what you've seen for these 3 days is just the tip of the iceberg.
Alam mo, napaka-social po dito na kay Maskinano kasi alam mo, dinala niya kami dito sa 4-star cruise ride for dinner.
Parang
That's
mainit,
how social. Yan. Si May, palibre po kayo sa kanya. Pagdating niya dito.
Grabe. Nape-pressure ako, guys, kasi itong katabi ko ngayon to, isa sa mga well-known na events specialist sa Philippines, and for 2 consecutive years, they were recognized as one of the top 10 wedding planners. Grabe.
Maraming salamat for the patronage.
Actually, pag sinabi kasing portfolio sa Philippines, tapos na ang usapan.
Ay, wow naman.
Tapos na, it's over. Can you tell us more about portfolio?
O syempre, you know, Portfolio is actually doing several events. Any life-changing event, make it be memorable from simple ones to the memorable to the extravagant ones. So we're actually doing that. We particularly cater, marami kaming mga clients na nasa Dubai. Alam mo naman dito, dahil marami mga kabayan, di ba? So, kwento ko lang our first night. So we went to Al Riga. I didn't realize that's actually like the parang Filipino community, no? Dito sa Dubai. And then sabi ko, hey Celine, nasa ano pa tayo? Nasa Pilipinas pa tayo kasi ang daming mga Pilipino. And we just tend, you know, we then realize that the market of Dubai, especially for the ones who are very much hardworking from abroad, when they take their money to the Philippines for a beautiful event, talagang malayo ang mararating.
Ay, oo naman.
Yan naman ang promise ng Portfolio Event Solutions. Tulungan yung mga kaibigan natin who really wanted to make their events truly memorable and para talagang worth every centavo.
Wow,
Yan.
amazing. And ang nakakatuwa, guys, napaka-stable ng company ito kasi it has been in the industry for 10 years. Wow, 10 amazing, colorful years. Ang dami ng mga event na ginawa, ang dami ng mga memories na naging tumatak talaga, di ba? So, sa loob ng 10 years na yun, ano yung masasabi mong favorite mo?
Actually, every naman para nagiging favorite namin. Kasi nangyayari here is, we are very personal when it comes to handling all those events, no? Alam mo yan, walang mga celebrity dyan. Everyone wants to be, very special on the day of their event. That's what we really promise in here.
Wow.
That parang memories that would really last for a lifetime, done of course by Portfolio Event Solutions.
Wow.
Ganun talaga siya. Yung mga pinaka-favorite mo, syempre, yung mga pinaka-challenging. Yan. I think we have one from the Middle East na yung couple namin. Alam mo yun, you are in abroad, and then all your suppliers or the people you're talking to are in the Philippines. With the advent of internet, it becomes a little easy. But, iba pa rin. Alam mo yun, nakikita ka, nakikilala ka, yung personal mo silang kinakausap para alam mo kung anong gusto nila eh. Alam mo kung paano mo gagawin ang event na yon. And with that, it would definitely, spell a huge difference in making their event. Parang mas confident sila. Mas maganda ang nagiging experience nila kasi kilala nila kung sino kausap nila.
Amazing.
Diba?
So
Ganyan.
actually, when it comes to marketing kasi, yung mga clients na kinikater ng portfolio, parang after ng event, magugulat ka talaga sila mismo todo post. Sobrang proud sila sa event na ginawa ng portfolio, di ba?
Oo naman. And we're very
Kumbaga,
proud of these, hardworking Filipinos worldwide na talaga namang pinaghahandaan.
Wow.
Alam mo yun yung kanilang mga events. At ang mga OFW nating mga kaibigan, kababayan, really deserves the best service ever.
Yes, totoo yan. Ang nakakatuwa kasi portfolio really knows kung gaano kahirap i-earn yung bawat peso, bawat dirhams na nakuha namin dito.
Kasi my dad is an OFW
Wow,
before.
really?
Oo, kaya alam ko yan. Na talagang malapit sa puso namin yung mga OFWs. And well, you know what? Talagang kung merong isa sa mga sector na talagang hinahangaan talaga, pinapalakpakan, yan yung mga kababayan sa
Nakakatuwa naman.
totoo
Grabe.
yan.
Actually guys, I have known Kakay for quite some time. Naalala ko nung first time naming mag-meet, unang
Uy,
word.
saan ba yun?
Pero wag ko lang sabihin yung year, baka mag-aalaman, no? Yung naalala ko sa kanya yung word na spontaneity, wag niyo yung papaspell guys, mag-aaway tayo. And I remember that
Alam
time.
niyo ba kasi, eto hindi lahat alam ito.
Ikat natin yan.
Ay, sandali, wag mo ikakat ito, sandali.
Hanggang dyan na lang.
Si Mike kasi umabot siya na Mr. Holy Angel University, na mga
guys,
panahon na niya yun. Oo.
Alam ko, ako yung mag-i-interview na nangyari. So yun, going back. I remember that time, professor siya sa University of the Assumption. And may mga friends kasi ako na mga naging students niya, like Alexis, Ram, and a whole lot other. At sabi nila, napakahusay daw niyang magturo. So,
Kasi alam mo yan, pinasa ko talaga sa lahat. Hi Alex, yan. Tsaka sa mga naging estudyante namin.
Hindi mo ba nami-miss yung magturo?
Nami-miss. Alam mo yan, isa sa mga bagay na talagang gusto kong balikan yung pagtuturo. However, right now, siguro because of the bulks of works that we're accepting, so medyo ang pagtuturo will go on the side. And we would want to help others to follow their passion really.
Wow,
Parang ikaw, di ba? You really follow your passion.
Napaka-supportive talaga ni Kakay kasi I remember nung mga time na sobrang discouraged ako sa abroad and I want something na I don't have any means to get it. Gusto ko nang mag-give up, pero siya yung nandun. Naalala ko siya yung nagigala sa akin, oh, fight for this and yun, I won't be where I am right now. Hindi dahil sa kanya, kaya grabe. Siya siyang buhay na inspirasyon. So speaking of inspiration kasi, sa mata ng lahat, he is a very successful professor. Napaka-successful na niya sa academe. So, pero how come nag-decide pa rin siya na iwan ito and mag-shift sa events management? Ba't gumawa siya ng sarili niyang negosyo or something? Or maybe some of you na nanonood ngayon dito sa video na to, you're asking na, is it too late to shift my career or something? So, if you want to know the answer, stay tuned and we'll be right back. Amazing.
Amazing!
Yan, amazing. So, welcome back to Maskinanan TV and I'm still here with Kakay. So, sabi nga natin kanina, maybe some of you are wondering na you would like to shift career or something. Ano ba yung mapapayo niya sa mga tao na nagtatanong kung is it too late to start something new or something yung ganon?
Alam mo, change is always good para sa akin, no? Kapag nakakaramdam ka ng change, that means it would push you to do something for that certain period of time. Ako siguro, I really love teaching, you know? Hindi ko naman talaga iniwan yung pagtuturo. Pero I just gave this opportunity a chance. A chance na maipakita kung ano talaga yung passion mo. And at the same time, you know, live parang a greater purpose or a bigger purpose of helping others also, you know, to make beautiful events.
Wow,
so,
amazing.
Nagkaroon ng konting movement sa career. At that point, you know, I was thinking, will this work? Hindi ba mag-work ito or what? Parang ang dami-dami mo mga apprehensions. But I've listened to one voice who said, go for it. You have what it takes.
Wow.
And the rest is actually history. So, for all those people who really wanted to be in that business or to be part of the wedding industry or the event industry, you know, if you're very passionate about it, forget first the capital, the money that you will be earning from it. If you feel that your mind, your heart, and soul is actually for this, I think it would eventually lead away.
Yun. So, sabi nga nila, di ba, minsan mindset talaga eh. Kasi I remember
Totoo yan.
there's an
Mindset.
author sabi niyang ganyan. Instead, kunyari, you want something tas wala kang pambili. Instead of saying, I cannot afford that.
How can I afford
Yes,
that?
tell yourself,
Diba?
how can I afford that? So that your mind and everything else will work together to find a way to make it happen.
Precisely.
Amazing. So,
Precisely. Tingnan mo.
Grabe.
Ang galing na pinapalakpakan ka.
Kapag talaga napapadikit ka dito, nakakahawa yung talino nito. Grabe. Amazing.
Alam mo ba, Mike, speaking of ano talaga, speaking of lives change, magpapatunay dyan si Selena, yan. Ayan,
Uy.
kasi nagkaroon siya ng love life talaga. Sana
Ba?
Nasa
all.
events.
Pero huwag kayong, medyo maglayo kayo ng konti kasi
Okay
for
naman ganito. Ayan.
your information, bawal ang PDA dito.
Kaya nga. Kanina inutodos ko
Yan.
siya, good friend, di ba?
At saka please, respeto naman sa amin. Respeto sa amin, okay?
Oh, bawal yung mga bastusan.
Bawal yung holding hands.
Malayo na kami, malayo na.
Masyadong maraming hanggang. Pag may magbigay.
Sagot.
So nakaka-inspire talaga yung kwento ni Kakay, di ba? So, hindi ba mahirap magsimula? Kasi parang sanay ka na dun sa dati.
Maraming mga bagay na kapag nakasanayan mo, alam mo yon, mangangawit ka eventually, di ba? So, mahirap nga bang magsimula? That's always like the question, you know, it's really hard to start. But, once you already got the, parang the cha-cha
Momentum,
of it,
yeah.
the momentum, yan, magiging madali na lang para sa ating lahat yung ganon, di ba?
Wow, amazing.
If you are doing things for the right purpose, I think, no, talagang mag-work yan. Para kasing nung nagsisimula ako, all I wanted then is, make people really happy. Parang, this is what I'm very passionate about.
Wow.
I wasn't really after of, you know, after all the rewards of all this hard work and all blah, blah, blah. It eventually parang dumating na lang yon as your reward after. So we keep on proving the craft until such time that people tend to recognize na,
Wow.
uy, pwede na pala yung mga wedding organizers na yun, kailangan natin sila, yung mga ganon. Nagkaroon talaga ng pangalan, nagkaroon talaga ng need for them because this thing that we do together with all the other event organizers, not only in Pampanga but in the entire Philippines, is not just, you know, something that we do for a living. It's something that we are very passionate about.
Kita kasing gaya. Amazing. So, grabe nakaka-inspire talaga yung kwento ni Kakay kasi iba, no? Kasi sometimes, pag tayo gusto natin magnegosyo, isipin natin agad, saan ba tayo kikita? Pero nakakatuwa kasi hindi yun yung una niyang inisip eh. Inisip niya is, how can he add value to other people's lives?
Correct.
Siya mo rin nabayani. Hayaan mo, pag papatayuan kita ng
Two things,
monumento.
you know, for it to work. Number one, you have to solve the problem of your clients. Number two, it should add value to their lives.
Yes.
Alam mo yan.
Nakakatuwa, grabe. Nakaka-amaze. So, pag uwi ko, alam na din.
Kailan ka ba ikakasal? That's the next question.
Gabi na bukas.
Bukas na talaga. Okay.
Tayo kasi minsan sa buhay, merong time na sobrang passionate ka, sobrang excited ka to do something. How do you keep yourself moving? How do you motivate yourself kapag may time sa parang nakapagod, like that?
Alam mo ba yung pagod kasi dalawang bagay yan, no? Kapag pagod ka, magpahinga ka lang. And then eventually, alam mo, babalik rin, marirefresh ka rin, di ba? How do we keep ourselves current and relevant? You always have to learn. The biggest room in this world is the room for improvement. You know, we always need to improve ourselves. And at the same time, continuous innovation, continuous learning. Huwag mo sabihin ngayon na talagang ikaw yung pinakamagaling, ikaw yung pinaka-sought after or mahusay. Kailangan mag-aral. That's what we're doing also, right?
Yeah, totoo yun. Iba talaga to, Lodi.
Ay, Lodi talaga.
Amazing. So, yun nga, congratulations pala for your 10th year anniversary. So, ngayong 10 years na...
Kailangan syempre may cheers yan, di ba?
Cheers.
Okay yan, inom tayo dyan. Alam ba, wala alcohol dito, di ba?
Isopropyl alcohol.
Correct, isopropyl alcohol para pamatay NCOV na rin. Yan. Alam mo ba, ito si Selena, marami siyang mai-share sa atin.
So, here with us tonight is Selena, isa siya sa mga
Team
napakagaling
leaders.
na team leader ni Kakay.
Hindi naman po masyado.
Ang ilan.
Hindi naman.
How long have you been with Portfolio?
Siguro mga magka 5 years na this year. So after ko mag-graduate ng Mass Communication sa University of the Assumption, kinuha ko ni Sir Kai.
Wow,
One
amazing.
of the event
Wala kang
coordinators.
choice.
Walang ganun. Wala siyang option. Kaya
Walang
ganun.
choice.
So back then, as in talagang tahimik ako, ganyan, hindi talaga
Talaga?
ako, sobra. As in, alam mo yung parang nahihiya ako makipag-usap sa mga clients and all. Pero with the training of Sir Kakay, of course, yan. Natuto akong i-handle kung paano yung mga attitude ng isang tao, iba't ibang mga, mga ugali nila and all siya, mga ganun.
Naging makapal.
Is that what you're doing right now? Inahandle mo yung ugali namin.
Yeah, hindi naman masyado. Parang ganun.
Seriously, no? Talagang, ang kliyente talaga kailangan, inaalam mo rin kung paano yung communication na mag-work sa kanya.
Yeah,
So,
parang
some of them would
relationship.
want it to be formal, some of them would want it to be casual, iba naman para kang ate or para kang kapatid,
Totoo.
tuturing mo sila. So you really have to learn also, you know, kumbaga, kung ano yung klase ng approach
Yes.
ang gagawin mo to win a client.
Yes.
Iba talaga, no? Kasi kumbaga, there is no such thing as one shoe that fits all, di ba?
With
Correct.
portfolio din, natuto kong maging passionate sa work ko na ginagawa. Kasi hindi lang basta-basta nagtatrabaho. Kailangan mahal mo yung trabaho mo para maramdaman ng kliyente na, alam mo yun?
Alam mo yun?
Binavalue mo.
Totoo yun, katulad ng sinasabi kanina ni Mike, di ba? Minsan, kapag mahal mo ang isang tao or ang isang bagay, mahirap na, pero talagang, alam mo yon, you will go and do extra mile.
Yeah.
Yes. You work
All
out
in the name of
love.
Imagine 5 years in the same company. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang talaga yung needs ng mga clients yung kinikater ng portfolio, pati meron ding napaka-healthy working relationship at merong maraming opportunity to grow, kaya marami rin nag-stake. Amazing, nakakatuwa. So portfolio isn't just a company, it is a family. Baka naman.
Baka naman.
Sama na ako dyan. Grabe. Pwede bang mag-apply?
Of course. I mean, di kita kayang bayaran.
Send ko sa
you know,
CV ko.
Oo, ang dami natin kinukwento sa kanila na for them to realize this one. Naman, yan.
Yan, so saan pa papunta kayo ng portfolio?
saan ba kami papunta? Pabalik kami mamaya ng Pilipinas.
Fly na ng
Mga
Pilipinas.
ganun ba? Well, syempre yung direction naman is always forward, no? We're doing lots of master classes this year, 2020. That's for event management, wedding planning, floristry, and a lot more. Being like one of the board of directors of the Wedding Suppliers Association of the Philippines. Hi, DJ Yuson at saka sa mga kawasap namin dyan.
Wow.
So we are doing lots of classes nationwide. So we have Bacolod, Cebu, Pampanga, Baguio. So from north to south, so we are scaling all these master classes para sa anong purpose? To help. Alam mo yun,
Wow.
maraming pwedeng matutunan. Kasi, ang laki-laki ng industriya na to, pero konti yung mga players. And we would
Yun.
want to help others to follow their passion really. We always have envisioned, the company to be, not siguro yung number one, pero nandun ka sa respected. Yung maging choice ka lang ng kliyente, alam mo yun, tapos ikaw talaga ang nasa top list nila. That really spells a big difference.
Totoo.
Melts our heart talaga.
Sarap kasi pag pinipili ka talaga.
Oo. Alam mo yun?
Yan, so maraming salamat Kakay for having this interview. Grabe, isang karangalan na makasama on screen ang nag-iisang Kakay. 3 days lang sila dito pero they really took the time na mangyari itong vlog ito. Maraming salamat for making this possible.
Thank you very much, of course, JM, for featuring Portfolio Event Solutions. Yan. Kapamilya ka talaga namin. Ang lakas namin sa'yo.
Totoo.
Hindi ka naman others.
Hindi naman others yan.
I-like nyo na po siya, i-follow.
I-follow
Thank
nyo
you,
lahat
thank you.
yan, no? So, mga kababayan, syempre, sa lahat ng mga gusto magpakasal, gumawa ng mga okasyon ninyo, maaari dito sa abroad or sa Pilipinas, don't forget to check Portfolio Event Solutions. We have our website that is www.portfolioevents.com.ph and our official FB page. It's Portfolio Event Solutions by Michael Kakay Munoz. So here at Portfolio Events,
Yes. We make your event last a lifetime.
Amazing. So
Yan.
dito, my forever.
my forever.
So again, maraming salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Amazing.
Amazing!